Friends, this is the tadka. You see the coconut is browned and then there is that flavor of coconut comes, and that is, and you can put a very little bit of that into that. And here is my dish ready, and I will show you how I am going to serve it today. This is very tasty. I tasted it. Hello friends, welcome to my cooking channel, Medhas Healthy Veg Kitchen. Today I'm so excited to show you a surprise. This is a surprise. I'm going to open it because I need the cover and some paper towels before I take it. I'm going to open up this. This is a jackfruit. Have you seen a jackfruit? This is a tropical fruit, and I grew up eating so many dishes with the jackfruit, and my favorite is the jackfruit chips, and it has so much of health benefits, and especially the jackfruit seeds cures or prevents certain types of cancer. That is in the research, so you can check on that. This is a very nice one all over Asia. I don't know where this came from. I haven't seen a jackfruit for so many years. Even my daughter is home now and she hasn't eaten any dishes with the jackfruit, so I decided to. I saw this in the grocery store first time, then I thought, okay, I will buy this and see how it is inside, and then we can decide on what we are going to make if it is ripe. Friends, this ripe jackfruit tastes like honey, so we need a lot of paper towel for this, because you don't know, jackfruit has a lot of sticky thing. I think I need some help. I'm going to see if this is okay. Friends, this is the inside of the jackfruit. As I thought, it is not that of a fresh one, but I am going to use these are still raw, and this is the seeds. I can use this one and seeds. I need some help, so I'm going to ask my husband to cut it for me. Okay friends, I'm trying to take all the fruits out of the outer skin of the fruit, jackfruit. It's little tiring job. First you have to remember it is sticky, so you have to put some oil and oil on your knife also. That will help. And then it is not as fresh as I thought, even then I will. It's a very rare thing, so I'm going to use it. Take all the fruits out. Finish taking all that, and then I will show you. I'm just showing how we can take this these things. I am separating the fruits and the seeds separate, so I will show you once I finish this job. Almost done. Actually we are done. It's not almost. I cleaned all this inside part. It was full. Okay friends, I am done with the cleaning of the jackfruit. This is the skin and that inside parts all cleaned. We took it out and we cleaned, and we kept all the nice things here. So this is the jackfruit, and this is the seeds. Seeds also you can make different dishes with it. You can put it with kerala. You can have with the palak. You can make a lot of curries with this jackfruit itself. The outer skin is thick, but inside the brown skin is actually healthy. We have to eat that, and I will show those recipes later in another day, because I can preserve it in the refrigerator. And let's talk about these fruits. This fruit, in fact, I was thinking about making jackfruit, because outside is green. I thought it is raw. We can fry jackfruit chips, but when we opened it up, slightly ripe. It is not completely ripe, it is slightly ripe. It tastes so good. Tastes like honey. I don't know how to explain the taste of it. It has a texture and it tastes so sweet. Only way you can, no, this is not like any other tropical fruit. You have to eat and experience that. So this is, even this half ripe thing tastes so good. It was whole full, and we finished eating while preparing it. Now I'm going to make a curry out of it. I'll keep few pieces for my daughter if I don't know whether she likes it. I'll try. She hasn't eaten a jackfruit, and then remaining I will make a jackfruit preparation from Kerala. I will show you. Are you doing it? Okay, these are the jackfruit seeds when I cut it open. So I don't know whether I can preserve it. So I'm going to add it into my dish. So it will give a bite. It was so hard. There is a slitheriness to the outer skin. It's very smooth skin, so it was hard to remove the skin. So what I did is I did it, crushed it, did my spice thing. Anyway, it is going to cook it, right? So I crushed it and removed the skin and kept it ready. In fact, I need to cook it little ahead. So the cooking time of this one and that is different. So I'm going to put it in water and then cook it for 5-10 minutes. And what I'm making is a dish called Erissery, which is usually made with pumpkin. It is slightly sweet. So these are little sweet already. So I don't think anything else I can make with it other than Erissery, because that is traditionally a little bit sweetness to that, which I'm going to make a coconut masala and do the tadka. Once I chop up everything, I will and one more thing I wanted to tell you, because this is inside the fruit itself, the jackfruit, traditionally we don't wash this. I don't know why. Maybe some nutrients may wash off. So it is clean. Actually, it was inside the whole thing. So and we cleaned and take it. So we don't have to wash it. So I started with jackfruit seeds, cooking probably 5 minutes now. It's almost cooked. And I'm adding the turmeric, half a teaspoon now into that. And now I'm adding the whole jackfruits into it. And we have to add the salt, half a teaspoon salt, because I'm going to make it spicy because this one is sweet. And let me cover it and cook for a minute. It will cook very fast, and the preparation is also very easy. I'll show you the steps, but the cleaning part is the messy and long process. But for me, in fact, cooking this, more than that, the preparation and the experience of the whole thing that I experienced when my young age, that was my highlight, because I haven't seen this jackfruit as whole for years and years, maybe 30 years now. Since it's a Kerala preparation, we need to have a lot of coconuts. This is probably half of a coconut. This is frozen coconut thawed. I'm going to keep a couple of teaspoons for the final garnish. We are doing the tadka. We do special thing with this for the erissery, and I'm preparing the masala for this erissery using my spice thing. I'm taking this one. I'm going to ground with some spices. I'm going to show how I'm going to do it. The important thing is cumin seeds. I'm taking 1.5 teaspoon of cumin seeds, generous amount. Into that I'm adding few chilies. I don't know how many, 8-9. They're small, but they are spicy though. Because this is sweet, I'm adding couple more extra because. And then I'm adding 5 cloves of garlic. I added some curry leaves, fresh curry leaves also into that, trying to get everything kind of ground little bit here, little bit coconut also. We have to blend it with the coconut, then only the flowers will come everywhere. That's why usually this is done in a big stone, grinding stone. I'm just combining everything here. You don't have to grind it. I'm not even using a blender here. Let me check it. Yeah, it's done, cooked, but it is keeping the shape. Okay, it is cooked. So what I'm going to do is we have to cook the coconut also. I'm adding this coconut masala. You have seen it. 1.5 teaspoon cumin seeds, 4-5 cloves of garlic, and around 9-10 green chilies, a lot of curry leaves, fresh curry leaves, and we have a lot of coconut also. Because it's a traditional preparation, I want to make it exactly like that. This is probably half of the coconut, and we cover the top and then again steam it for another 2-3 minutes till the coconut flavor goes inside the jackfruit. Now you have to mix it very well. I will show you once I combined it very well, and then I'm going to use the tadka for this dish. This is special tadka that we, and look at the color. It's golden yellow, nice. I don't know, the fruit is very well cooked, but it is not cooking exactly like in India. It is firm a little bit, but it is mashing though. Otherwise, once steam, it will become a kind of, once you stir it, it will become a paste. For the tadka, we are using the coconut oil, 1 tablespoon, not even 1 tablespoon. It's probably 1.5 teaspoon. And into that, using my spice, few red chilies and some mustard seeds. I have a teaspoon of black pepper. To that, finally I'm adding a little more cumin seeds, half a teaspoon. That is going to finish my tadka. The black pepper has to pop a little bit. You can hear that sound. Okay, it started jumping now. I'm going to add the coconut into that. And you have to brown it a little bit. I'm going to turn the heat a little bit low. Friends, this is the tadka. You see the coconut is browned, and then there is that flavor of coconut comes, and that is, and you can put a very little bit of that into that. And here is my dish ready, and I will show you how I'm going to serve it today. Thank you for watching my video, friends. This is a very tasty recipe. Please try it. If you get a jackfruit, you can get frozen. You don't have to go through all the struggle that I did. Anyway, if you like that recipe, please comment. I'd like to see your comments. Please like, share, subscribe. Thank you. We will see in another quick and easy and tasty recipe like this. Thank you.